Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ray. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Raya and my YouTube channel is Raya_Home44. Today, oops. Okay, today I am going to show you how I fold our t-shirts at home. It's nothing, probably you've seen this so many times before, but it's not that difficult. But I am going to show you how I fold our t-shirts over here at home. I usually use two ways of folding our t-shirts, and it depends on the size of the shelf that I'll be putting the clothes or the t-shirts on. If it's thin like that, I fold it differently. If it's wide like that, I fold it differently too. So today I am going to show you how I fold our t-shirt, but I am using a white t-shirt because my table here is dark, so you would see it clearly. And then I am going to move over the camera so you can see how I fold it. I have shown you two ways of folding t-shirt too, for whenever you wanted to put it in your luggage for travel purposes. But the first two ways are the regular ways I fold our t-shirts at home. So I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you like it. If you are already a subscriber to my channel, sa mga Bisaya, daghang kayong salamat sa pagsigig tanaw sa akong YouTube videos. Sa mga Tagalog, maraming salamat sa parating panonood ng mga YouTube videos ko. And to all my viewers and subscribers in the United States and all over the world, thank you so much for always watching my YouTube videos. And if you are new to my channel and you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to hit like and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye! So I also added some bonus. So I also showed you how to do I also showed you how to fold t-shirt in a small way so that it fits for your